All right, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be breaking down each individual section of the free traffic lead video by video. So this is video number 1, where I'm going to be talking about Instagram. So if you're ready, let's go. All right, what's going on, guys? It's Matt here. Before I start this video, I wanted to let you guys know I'm opening up some free calls here in the month of June. If you guys want to get in on this, I basically will sit down with you and help you create your business plan to get you started. All you got to do is smash the link below and sign up for a time. So now back to the video. All right, guys. So Instagram is probably one of the top ways to find clients, attract clients, the whole nine. There's so much to do in this platform. So you have to be on top of it 100%. First and foremost, there's your feed posts. You have to have solid feed posts, whether it's just still graphics, whether it's utilizing Reels as your feed, IGTV. Make sure you set a good structure that allows you to connect with your audience. We're going to be using my Instagram, Million Shark, as an example. You could see I have a solid structure. It's kind of all over the place right now, but if you scroll all the way down a while ago, you could see I did reel, it's feed, reel, feed, feed, reel, feed, and I always had a reel on every third post. So stuff like that to attract your audience. Make sure it's stuff that's relatable, like relatable content, like, hey, check this out, I just made this post. Hey, good news and bad news. A lot of this stuff is what we call viral content in the Instagram world. Things like utilizing a meme on how to learn how to make a couple $100 a week or get 10,000 now. Things like that. It's also important when you're looking at the overall Instagram platform. You have to realize the features that Instagram has. So it's like you can't just focus on posting on the feed. They have the stories you have to worry about. So here's a roundabout, I would say, 2 to 3 feed posts a day, 8 to 10 stories a day. Utilizing IG highlights is another one. Posting reels. So reels are you're still hot right now since they're trying to get people off the TikTok platform and keep them on to Instagram. So utilizing reels, whether it's reposting already viral reels or creating reels of your own. There's tons of different things you could do with the reels. And you can see some get like under 100 views, some get a couple thousand views. Shoot, I even had a reel get 1.5 million views of just reposting content. So again, don't think of it as like I'm going to post a reel, completely blow up and be set. I mean, you still have to work. You have to show up every day. Another huge feature that Instagram is also looking to push is Instagram TV. I have quite a few episodes going out right now. Actually, even more. Trying to just go to my profile. Then, so if you go to IGTV, we have a whole bunch of different ones. And again, like, this is trying to compete with YouTube. So whatever, like, you're watching this video on YouTube, I'm literally just taking that same MP4 file and scheduling it to upload to Instagram to keep Instagram's platform engaged. So as far as obtaining the free traffic, one thing that's really tough with Instagram right now is just natural growth, organic growth. The only true way you could do that without promotion and paying for an ad, in my opinion, is to utilize the Reels feature. I actually have another video, which I'll try to remember to link here, where I actually gained over 1,400 followers off of one reel because that reel went viral and got 5.2 million views, which is this account right here. I run IG Barbell Club as well. I had quite a few viral reels. So as you could see, I have my first viral one went 26.8K. Didn't get a lot of traction. 302K off of this one. This was my most viral at 5.1, and that's where I got a ton of views, a ton of traffic. I have an entire video dedicated to that one reel. 27, 17, 43, 112, and then it kind of tapered off because I stopped truly posting on this account just because I put all my time, effort, and energy on one. So that's what's really difficult is like if you're trying to run multiple accounts, you got to start building out a team. But there's definitely a ton of opportunity, a ton of potential on Instagram. Instagram is definitely not dead. It's just much harder to gain organic leads than it is to just post something on TikTok and have that go viral and get hundreds of thousands of followers. One thing I will suggest if you're using Instagram is get into the DMs, start talking to people. That's the best way to get the connection with them. So anybody who drops a comment, so like let's say I get like no comments. So like this one, so like this person, like literally they commented on the post. If you have 2 comments, start messaging those people. Instagram has a feature on their phone where you could actually, instead of sending it and commenting back, you could send them a message right away and just thank them for commenting and start opening up that line of communication. Because if they're liking the post, there's a good chance they're following your account because they like your kind of content. And if you're using this to backbone your affiliate marketing off of, then it's definitely something you want to leverage and utilize. Again, you got to make sure you have a clear, concise bio. Like mine is helping the everyday 9 to 5 make money on Instagram. You have guys who are helping the teens make money on Instagram, things like that. And then make sure that link clicks and goes right to a really good page, a really solid page, which I built a nice landing page for free. So definitely one of the top ways, probably the top dog right now, is Instagram. And again, it's a longevity game. You're not going to get 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 followers overnight. The people who are showing you that, they're extremely consistent and they post all the time and they're extremely active. There's one guy in this niche who gained over 100,000 followers off of Reels. What you don't realize is how many Reels did he post to get the traction to get there. I mean, he's not just posting one Reel and it's going viral. He's posting 1 Reel or 2 Reels or maybe even 3 Reels a day to try to get the traction to grow rapidly. And don't be discouraged when you're losing followers, when you're just not getting the amount of, like, there's some weeks I'll gain a couple hundred followers. There's other weeks where I'll lose a couple hundred followers. There's always going to be an influx. It's like the stock market. Nothing's going to stay consistent. You're not going to have consistent growth. It's going to grow up. It's going to go down. Best thing you can do is stay consistent and show up every day and make sure you're posting. And one of the best features I could say that comes from Instagram is the fact that they partnered with Facebook, and you could actually go to this site called Creator Studio and actually schedule all of your posts to go up to Instagram, to go up to your Facebook pages. So you can see right now, actually, there's proof that I run Barbell Club. You'd actually see I have in the scheduled section, I have content scheduled out through 6/10. Through 6/10, guys. So it's like I'm covered for 3 days right now. And that's one cool thing with Instagram, where you could automate all of that stuff and then just go and focus on communicating with people, getting into their DMs, talking with them, and trying to get people into your sales funnel. So anyway, that's number 1. My next video is going to be talking about another way to get free traffic and utilizing and leveraging platforms. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll talk to you guys later.